This is a specification outline video for a Ford chassis-based mobile command vehicle, model MCV 550-18F for Nueces County, Texas. Ford F550 cab chassis, XLT trim level, color white, cab modified to provide access to rear operations area, 201-inch wheelbase. Front chrome steel bumper, deluxe front appearance package, tow hooks installed, siren speaker installed, front strobe lights mounted in the grille. 6.8 liter V10 engine, 362 horsepower at 4,750 RPM. Ford fail-safe cooling system. Ford 5-speed electronic automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power disc brakes, 4-wheel anti-lock, cab air conditioning, fresh air heater and defroster for the cab, 157 amp alternator, 650 amp cold cranking amp heavy duty engine starting battery. Sirchie installed auxiliary batteries mounted beneath the frame. This vehicle has a 19,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating, a front gross axle weight rating of 6,500 pounds, and a rear axle weight rating of 14,706 pounds. Heavy-duty front spring suspension with anti-sway bar. Multi-leaf rear suspension, 4.88 to 1 axle ratio. Rear limited slip differential, dual rear wheels, rear stabilizer bar, 40-gallon fuel tank. Stainless steel chrome rim simulators on all 4 wheels. LT 225/70R 19.5 tires. XLT trim level package, gray fabric seats, fully insulated headliner, high back bucket type drivers and passenger seats. Power windows and door locks, tilt wheel, cruise control on the wheel, full gauge package, rear view monitor installed in the cab, AM/FM CD player with aux input, full climate control, installed brake control and aux switches, cab mounted siren with full function for siren and lighting features. The truck features an 18-foot work area with a 2-foot high and 3-foot deep attic over the vehicle cab. Side body panels of 040 painted smooth aluminum, painted to match the vehicle cab. Box frame construction is all steel galvanized rear posts and headers. 30-inch wide rear entry door. Full width rear step bumper equipped with door operated step lights. Also features a fold down rear auxiliary step. Rear step easily folds up and out of the way when the vehicle is in transit or not in use. "32-inch wide curbside sedan door with 2-step diamond plate aluminum stepwell. Interiors of doors lined with aluminum 040 painted skins. Both doors feature a 2-point locking system. Lighted side door entry with chrome handrails on both sides. Whelen 400 series grill-mounted front emergency lighting, and siren speaker mounted in grill. Whelen 500 series intersection strobe lights with chrome trim rings. Whelen 800 series emergency lighting on the upper sides of the box on all four sides. Whelen 810 series scene lights on each side of the vehicle. Whelen green command strobe, roof mounted on the passenger rear corner of the vehicle. Pelco Esprit pan tilt zoom camera system with integrated optics package, mounted on a Wilbert Model 625 pneumatic operated mast. Onboard air compressor featuring a 2-gallon, half-horsepower compressor, airline filter, lubricator, regulator, control and dump valve. Here we see the mast being raised by the control valve in front of the air compressor on the driver rear corner of the truck in the toolbox. The mast raises to a height of 25 feet. With the mounting position on the back of the truck, the overall camera height is approximately 34 to 35 feet. The mast can be lowered one of three ways. The first way is an emergency interlock system. By pressing the brake pedal, the mast will automatically lower. The second way is a push button inside the rear operations area of the truck. And the third is a small brass valve located here at the bottom of the mast. Wilbert Night Scan Chief, model NS6 3000, roof-mounted telescopic light tower, dual bulb 3000 watt unit with a 6-foot extended height. The night scan unit is controlled by a wired handheld remote that connects to the passenger side of the vehicle in a weatherproof safety hatch. The night scan unit features a full control of tilt and pan for the light heads. Also includes an auto up and an auto stow feature. Hydraulic leveling and stabilization system, computer controlled by a control panel inside the operations area of the vehicle. Here we see the front leveling feet coming down and making contact with the ground. Here's a shot of the rear jacks extending and touching the ground. "16-foot power awning, curbside mounted, automatic roll-up type with anodized aluminum wrap around the fabric. Remote controlled and panel controlled in the hatch on the side of the truck. 2 exterior mounted storage boxes constructed of 1/8-inch brushed satin marine grade aluminum. 1 on street side, 1 on curb side. 2 Onan 7 kilowatt gasoline commercial industrial generators, both fueled from the vehicle fuel tank. Each generator powers its own independent electrical system within the vehicle. 2 240-volt, 50-amp electrical inputs. Two 240-volt, 50-amp electrical outputs. These outputs are from the generators coming off of the service entrance boxes. These would be used for powering the electrical inputs on the side of the truck if one or the other generator were to fail. Broadband commercial internet satellite system. Two-way mobile VSAT system for internet connection from any vehicle location. Satellite TV dish. Winegard Move and View model MV3500A or equal. On the interior of the vehicle, we have a half-inch leveled plywood subfloor, one-piece rubber floor covering, fully insulated work area, pebble grain finished fiberglass wall and ceiling coverings, and fabric covered wood and aluminum trim panels. Fully welded steel refrigerator and sink cabinet, Wilsonart laminate top, Norcold AC/DC refrigerator installed, 900-watt microwave installed, stainless steel sink, 12-volt self-priming electric pump, and a 28-gallon water tank. The water tank and pump are used for the sink and for the bathroom. Paper towel dispenser and hand soap dispenser installed in the galley area. Operations area featuring 24 square foot of worktop, 3 operator positions, 3 desk chairs, window with sliding glass and screen, curtains, 1 dry erase board, 3 overhead cabinet modules, and electrical outlets, phone, and network connections along the worktop. There's also one 20-inch monitor in this area. Electronics rack cabinet featuring a rack mount power strip on the top, broadband internet controller, internet modem, the DVD VCR combo, the DVD recorder, the cellular unit, and the phone system are all housed within this rack cabinet. Lockable 3-drawer radio station file cabinet. The rear of the truck is accessed through a pocket door, and it reveals 6 linear feet per side, fully padded bench seating. Diamond plate kick plate at the bottoms, 1 window in this room, 1 overhead cabinet module, electrical outlets on both sides, phone and network outlets on both sides, 1 removable dry erase board, and the second 20-inch flat screen monitor. Fully finished lavatory featuring a high-foot RV toilet, 12-volt light, and blower fan. Here's the service entrance boxes, 1 for each generator and 1 for each AC electrical input on the side of the truck. There's a minimum of 11 duplex outlets around the vehicle. Interior mounted generator start and stop switches, 1 for each generator. Three Whelen flasher modules powering the grill lights, the intersection lights, and the upper box lights. Two 80-amp converter chargers and battery isolation system. Three output battery charger, which allows charging of the vehicle battery and a trickle charge for each one of the generator batteries. 4 4-foot fluorescent AC lights in the operations area, and 2 12-volt dome lights. 2 4-foot fluorescent AC lights, and 2 12-volt dome lights in the rear room. "12-volt DC fluorescent thin lights, one mounted underneath each one of the overhead cabinet modules. 2 Streamlight Model SL034 light boxes. 2 Sirchie installed 4D size wet cell batteries. These are the auxiliary systems batteries. Each battery is grouped with its own 80 amp converter charger. Telephone system and network connections on the exterior of the vehicle. Climate control systems include 2 roof mount air conditioning units, one for the operations room, one for the conference room. Webasto Airtop 3900 forced air heating system, fueled directly from the vehicle fuel tank. 1500 watt space heater, 120 volt AC controlled, internal fan and automatic thermal safety switch. Command vehicle toolkit located in the cabinet in the operations area of the vehicle.